In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I make my deep condition / hair mask on my natural 4 type hair, 4B in particular, just using only 4 ingredients that you can find at your local grocery market, or most of you guys will probably have it in your refrigerator already. All of these ingredients at the store are under $5. And I must truly say this has to be the best DIY hair mask for natural 4 type hair, kinky curly hair. So all that you'll be needing is avocado, bananas, mayonnaise, and also an aloe vera plant. Also, I must say, as you guys can see how I use 2 avocados and 2 bananas, it all should be depending on how much hair you have, how thick your hair is, maybe how dry your hair feels. Kind of just take a feel of your hair. You know how long, how thick it is, and that should determine how much more extra you might need. But if your hair is not that long, not super thick, then you could just use 1 banana or maybe a half a banana, 1 avocado or a half of avocado, and you probably won't need as much aloe and mayonnaise. One of the big keys also to making a hair mask is make enough so that you can be generous with your hair. The point of deep conditioning your hair and the point of applying a hair mask is so that you can rehydrate your hair and add the moisture that it's lacking. So just make sure you're generous and that you're making a good amount for your hair. Also, when it comes to your avocado, make sure your avocado is ripe enough. You don't want a hard avocado. And with this hair mask, you want your results to be like a thicker, creamy texture that you will see towards the end. Basically like a hair mask. It's so funny how the best things for your hair, skin, your body are all natural things. Like literally the things that you could place in your body are also great for your hair and your skin as well. And I've come to realize that on my just natural journey with my hair, taking care of my skin and different things like that, is that the best things for it is literally found in the grocery market. A pretty big plant. I used about 1/3 of the plant, kind of just determining on my hair and also the texture that I want it to come out as. I don't want it to be super watery, but I just want it to be just right, like an actual hair mask. So this is the texture and this should be the results of the hair mask when you're done blending everything. Kind of that creamy like texture. More of a thick creamy paste is what you're aiming for. Also, I have a video posted, a full video of me actually applying the deep conditioner, so I'll leave that link down below and you all should go and check it out.
What my eyes cannot see, or has
I hope you all enjoyed this video on how I make my DIY hair mask. Ask any questions, feel free to make any comments. This hair mask literally works wonders on my hair, and it's also budget friendly, but it's also very high quality, and how much nutrients and moisture just adds to your hair. Thank you all. Like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, Jesus loves you.